Once the need to purchase material or service has been approved via a purchase requisition, you must select the vendor with the best terms. To get the information about who has the best offer, you send out a request for quotation or RFQ to potential suppliers. Let's create an RFQ now with the transaction code ME41. Open ME41 transaction code and press enter. The RFQ type is auto-populated with AN indicating a standard request for quotation. No changes are needed in this field. For RFQ date, is automatically set to current date, representing the creation date of the RFQ. Specify the quotation deadline, which determines the time frame within which potential suppliers must respond with their quotations. We'll say you're not in a huge rush, so you'll give them 1 week to respond. In organizational data, purchasing organization and purchasing group are also auto-populated. You can create this request for quotation by directly reference a purchase requisition by pressing the reference to PRREC by entering the document number. For this course, you are not referenced anything, so you will now click Overview. Proceed to the Overview section. Enter the module number BOAT 2023. Next is the RFQ quantity. You enter 500 and enter the delivery date you need your products by, and you will enter 4 weeks from today. To select the supplier for quotation, click Supplier Address and enter supplier number 101000 and press enter. The system will populate available address information from supplier's business partner record. After ensuring all necessary details are entered, save the RFQ by clicking the Saving button. At the bottom of the screen, you will receive a success message confirming the creation of the request for quotation, along with a send document number. Once you receive price quotations and project delivery dates from suppliers, you can reference the RFQ using the ME47 transaction code. This allows you to analyze the received quotations and identify the best suppliers based on your requirements. Upon selection, a purchase order will be created to proceed with the procurement process.